What's up, Cyberhawks? So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to create users in Azure. I think I made some videos talking about how to create permissions and whatnot, but I didn't actually show how to create users. It's actually pretty simple. So go ahead and be sure you're on portal.azure.com, and then at the search bar to type in users. And you guys can see I have a few users already created on this account, but we want to create a new one. So let's go ahead and go to the top and we'll create a new user. And then the first thing, it will bring you up to this page here. So we can go ahead and put our user's principal name. Let's say this is going to be Andrew M, kind of following whatever style that we're using for the company. And it would have to be connected to this right here to my account, but obviously, if you're working at a company, it'll be different here. And then their display name. So we'll go ahead and put Andrew. We'll just have, I guess we'll do Andrew M. Yeah, I guess we'll just keep that the same. But you can change the display name. And then we have it on auto generate a password. When they log in, they'll have to change that password anyway. So we can make a note of this, copy this to our clipboard if we wanted to test it out. And just make sure we remember the one that's auto generated, but that's automatically there for you. And then go ahead and go to next properties. And then again, if we were using this for an organization, we can put more info about this user. So Andrew, Michael, we can put the user type, he's a member or a guest, his job title, he's an analyst, company, let's say Microsoft department, finance, employee ID, XYZ, employee type, full term or part-time or whatever, employee hire date. You can get really granular with this. You can have all their contact information. It pretty much gives you all the info right there, adult, all that right there. So you can play around with that if you want to actually create a real person, for example. And then next we'll go to assignments, and here we can add in different roles if we wanted to, for example, let's say we went with the add role and we wanted him to be, let's just find a random one, exchange administrator. All right. Oh no, actually, better fact, let's do a global reader. Let's say we want him to be a global reader, so he can read everything that a global reader can, but cannot update anything. So he can look at everything, but he's not able to actually update anything. So we'll select that. Also too, on groups, if you had different groups set up as well, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you can add those to the group there. I don't have any groups or anything, but we do have different roles we can add in. And we were looking for something in particular, reader, for example, or XYZ, bam, you can find that right there. And you can also do this later. You don't have to do this right now. You can actually just create the user, and then you can actually go to rules and whatnot, and then later add that in. But if you just wanted to add something in right now, you're able to there. And then once we're done with this, go ahead and go to create if everything looks good here. And yeah, the user has been successfully created. So let's do a quick refresh here. And as you guys can see, we have Andrew here, has some of his info, and then we can actually click on him. And again, we can kind of see more of his info here. And from here, we can also, look at more information on him, monitoring properties, etc. All the details right here, which I like. But anyway, guys, yeah, it's pretty quick, pretty simple to actually create a user.